The Lockheed C-130 Hercules isn't just another military aircraft, it's a flying legend. Designed for rugged missions, unpredictable weather, and dangerous frontlines, this transport aircraft has served across continents, conflicts, and decades. But beyond its tough exterior and proven track record lies a treasure trove of lesser-known facts that make the C-130 a true marvel of military aviation. First introduced in the 1950s, the C-130 was developed in response to the U.S. Air Force's demand for a versatile tactical airlifter capable of operating from short, unprepared runways. With over 70 years in service, the C-130 remains one of the longest-running production aircraft in history, a testament to its durability, adaptability, and global impact. The C-130 Hercules isn't exclusive to the United States. Over 60 countries operate various models of the aircraft, making it a truly global asset. Nations such as Canada, Australia, India, and the United Kingdom have relied on the Hercules for decades, using it for humanitarian missions, combat support, and disaster relief. Its international use also makes it one of the most recognized aircraft in global air forces, creating a shared symbol of resilience and logistics excellence. One of the most impressive features of the C-130 is its ability to take off and land on extremely short or unprepared airstrips. It can operate on dirt, gravel, or even ice runways, something few aircraft of its size can match. Among its most famous variants, the AC-130 gunship transforms the C-130 into a fearsome ground attack aircraft. Equipped with side-firing cannons, precision targeting systems, and night vision capabilities, the AC-130 delivers devastating firepower in support of special operations forces. Its combat effectiveness is legendary, often described as death from above. These flying gun platforms are among the most feared and respected tools in the U.S. military arsenal. Though built for war, the C-130 has a humanitarian side. The aircraft is frequently used for disaster response, airdropping food, supplies, and medical aid to remote or devastated areas. Its rugged performance makes it ideal for natural disaster zones, such as after earthquakes, hurricanes, or tsunamis. Its contributions to saving lives during crises around the world often go unnoticed, but its impact on humanitarian missions is profound. The C-130 can carry over 40,000 pounds of cargo, ranging from vehicles and equipment to fully armed troops. It also boasts an operational range of around 2,000 miles without refueling, allowing it to perform long-haul missions or rapid in-theater logistics drops. With aerial refueling capabilities, its range becomes virtually limitless, making it a key enabler of global military reach. Unlike many of its contemporaries, the C-130 hasn't faded into retirement. In fact, the latest model, the C-130J Super Hercules, features modern avionics, stronger engines, and improved fuel efficiency. Lockheed Martin continues to deliver new aircraft to both US and foreign militaries, showing that the Hercules isn't going anywhere anytime soon. From landing on an aircraft carrier without arrestor cables to operating in Antarctic conditions, the C-130 has accomplished missions thought impossible for a cargo plane. In fact, it once landed on an aircraft carrier, the USS Forrestal, during test trials in the 1960s. Its participation in some of the most daring and unconventional missions in aviation history only strengthens its status as a military aviation icon. When we say 40,000 pounds of cargo, we're talking about the equivalent of nearly 20 Toyota Corolla sedans, or more than 200 fully equipped soldiers with gear. The C-130's payload flexibility makes it a critical logistical asset for military and humanitarian missions worldwide. With its spacious 41-foot-long cargo bay, the aircraft can accommodate large vehicles, heavy equipment, and even airdrop packages directly to forward bases and disaster zones. The C-130 can easily transport 2 fully loaded HUMs or a light armored vehicle. These assets can be deployed via combat offload methods directly onto short or unprepared runways, allowing for rapid ground force mobilization. One of the standard cargo configurations includes the M777 155mm howitzer, a towed artillery system weighing around 9,000 pounds. This enables the C-130 to deliver heavy firepower where it's needed most, especially in remote or hostile environments. In special operations, C-130s often carry special forces teams, complete with night vision gear, surveillance drones, motorcycles, and portable communication stations. These are launched from the aircraft using parachutes or fast rope techniques, giving these elite teams a significant tactical edge. The C-130 can be configured for precision airdrops using the Joint Precision Airdrop System. This allows cargo such as food, water, medical kits, and shelter materials to be dropped from high altitudes with pinpoint accuracy using GPS-guided parachutes. Its ability to lift over 40,000 pounds isn't just about raw capacity, it's about precision, flexibility, and reliability in some of the most dangerous and demanding missions on Earth. If you're ever wondering how soldiers get fuel, food, gear, and artillery to the front lines, or how thousands of disaster victims receive emergency aid, chances are a C-130 was there, lifting hope into the skies. The C-130 Hercules is one of the most reliable and long-serving military transport aircraft in aviation history. But even this battle-hardened workhorse requires regular maintenance and occasional repairs to stay mission-ready. Whether it's returning from a dusty combat zone or completing a grueling humanitarian mission, maintenance crews play a crucial role in keeping this legendary aircraft flying. Let's take a closer look at what it takes to repair and restore a C-130 Hercules, and why ground crews are the unsung heroes behind every successful flight. While the C-130 may dominate the skies, its reliability is the result of tireless work by skilled technicians on the ground. These crews are trained to handle everything from routine inspections to complex structural repairs. The Hercules often operates in harsh and hostile environments, including combat zones. Damage from debris, rough landings, or even enemy fire isn't uncommon. When this happens, skilled aviation engineers step in to assess and restore the aircraft, often under extreme time pressure. In combat situations, there's no time for downtime. That's where expeditionary maintenance teams come in. These elite units are trained to conduct emergency repairs with minimal equipment in field conditions. Whether it's patching up a wing, replacing a tire, or fixing an onboard system failure, these crews ensure that the Hercules can return to the sky quickly and continue its mission without delay. Maintaining the C-130 isn't just about fixing broken parts, it's about following strict safety procedures and ensuring that every system meets flight-critical standards. Technicians go through extensive training and certification to work on various systems of the aircraft. Each repair is documented, inspected, and signed off before the aircraft is returned to service. This attention to detail and procedural discipline is what makes the Hercules one of the most trusted airframes in military history.